Hi people, this is Nettie again. Look how gorgeous this looks. I am so excited. Look at that. I got corianders all over the place. So I'm going to keep on filling it, little by little. I'm putting some, there's a new baby there. I'm filling it up little by little. I love corianders and I love plantain. People would tell me, why would you put that in the raised bed? Well, it's for me better to handle it. I have it nice and clean, as you can see. I took the two last messed up leaves, because they keep shedding the leaves. As new one grows, the old one start getting like that. But I left this one on because it's still in good condition. I don't want to just pull it. I take it out when the whole part is already like kind of rotten there, and then I just pull it out. It's much easier. I don't put stress on the plant. So it's getting pretty, and as you can see on top, it's giving another new leaf. So I'm very excited with this. And I'm very excited with this. It has grown very long. I'm gonna leave the the seeds there, because I want this to be full of coriander, this section, because the other section over there, I have other plants. But this section, I would like to put a banana here. Small banana. I don't know. Just to see. And because these, the seed is in the bottom, and all of a sudden one other plant could come out. So when that happens, then I will have to move my corianders, if it's too close. But anyway, for now, it's not getting nothing out. I'm leaving it alone. So this is what's good for. I am very, very excited with my plants. And thank God that also the chickens are not getting in. My dog is not getting in. They're leaving my things alone. But besides these, they sting a lot. It keeps predators away. So that's probably why too. So, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.